Welcome to the world of bulk SMS, simplifying your communication needs. Today I'll be telling you the importance and usage of SMS Excel plugin. SMS Excel plugin is the best software to send thousands of text messages, that too in a customized and personalized form, in just few minutes. You can reach thousands of your customer in just few clicks. If you have data in Excel sheets, then we have SMS Excel plugin to help you communicate your message to your customer. So let's start on how to send message using Excel plugin. Once you logged in with your username and password, just enter your username and password. A home page will appear where your username and the CRN number would be written on top. On the left hand side there would be many option boxes where if you want to send thousands of messages by the Excel plugin, you need to click on Excel plugin. An interface will appear which will ask you to download Excel plugin. Simply click on the download button. You can see the download process is going on. Once it is completed, click on that. Let us install Excel plugin option in our PC. Just simply go by the wave. Next. And the SMS Excel plugin option would be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, once it's get downloaded, you just open a Microsoft Excel sheet. A page will appear like this. On the top menu bar you can see at the last add-ins option is there. If add-ins option appears, that means your download and installation process is completed. Just simply click on the add-ins. SMS box will appear. You need to click on that and you need to log in it first. CRN was the number which was displayed in your home page, username and password. Your bulk SMS username and password you need to type here. You are logged in successfully. Now whatever message or whatever content you wish to write or wish to send, you have to write it here. Or else what you can, I'll just prepare a sample and show you. For example, a school want to send his students' marks to their parents, right? So just I have entered 19 names of students. Their marks are there in various subjects and the phone number of their parents. It is just 19, you can say 1900 or 19,000 as well in just few clicks. This is just to show you all the sample. Once the content is ready, you just go to SMS. Send SMS option would be there. Click on that. Now since it is an English message, so English SMS would be clicked. If you want to write message in other language, click on language SMS. Here is a box provided. In this box you have to write whatever content you wish to send for the first time. Like I wish to send name Yusuf. So what will I do? Yusuf student's name is in the column A. So column A, I'll just click this. So the name will appear. Instead of this, Yusuf will appear. Yusuf marks are. Now marks in English, I'll just write English. What is his marks in English? So I'll just click on B. Hash B hash would appear. If you don't want to click this, you can just simply type hash B hash. The marks will come. Then marks in science. Science marks are in column C. So I'll double click column C. Then maths. Maths is in column D. I'll just click column D. GK marks is in column E, so I'll just double click column E. Here total marks I need to send, total marks is in column F. I'll double click the column F. This is what I wish to send to the parents. Now starting row, which row you want to send it? From the very immediate row. And the ending row, if you want to send only 7 people or 8 people, you can select the ending row. If you want to select all rows, simply click on that. Now this is very important. Select mobile number column. Your mobile number is in column G. So I'll select column G. Select sender ID. If you want that your particular name should be displayed in the mobile, you can select the sender ID or else whatever you want. Here you just select add country code. Since I have not mentioned country code in the mobile number, so I'll add country code. For example, for India, 91 is added. So every mobile number 91 will be added automatically. If you just want to preview and send SMS, click on send. See, use of marks are English, Science, Maths, GK, total marks 250. Here the description would be said. In this mobile number, this content would be going, number of character, number of long SMS, want to preview next SMS to this mobile number, and just simply click on send SMS. In just a single second, all the messages are sent, 19 SMS message sent. If it would be 19,000 also, it would just take a simple few minutes. That all with Excel plugin option to send thousands and lakhs of messages in just few clicks, and that too in a very personalized and customized way, hence promoting your business or profit ratio.